Hi, good morning. Don't mind my roots, they're really bad. So this morning I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a typical day. Today is a crazy day. I pulled an all-nighter, it's whatever, you know, my friends came over, next thing we knew, sun was coming up. So it is currently 11:30 a.m. Usually I wake up around 7:30. So this is like a very much late start for me. I am literally starving. I need to eat food. So this is what I eat in a day. On a really busy day, I have so much to do today. I've also been really sick the past few weeks, actually the past 2 months. Nobody knows what's wrong with me, so that's not the most ideal situation. So if you have not already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to become a part of the trendiest place on the internet. And let's get started with some breakfast because your girl is hungry, your girl needs caffeine. This tastes like blueberry waffles. This is the best coffee ever. It's the Trader Joe's blueberry lavender almond beverage, and I mix it with a pumpkin pecan waffle flavoring. I look like George Washington. I literally am looking like a founding father on this fine morning. Realistically, I always look like absolute trash in the morning, so this is not a good look. If you could just do me a really big favor and ignore all the dishes in the back, that would be great. I'll be cleaning today, don't you worry. So I'm gonna be making the one and only influencer breakfast, avocado toast. Let's do it. I just finished my breakfast. I am going to start with some of my tasks of the day. One of those being lots of laundry. In New York right now, it is like 40 degrees. Super intense wind chill. It is cold. I want to like reorganize my entire life. Like my kitchen, my bathroom, like the whole thing. So I'm gonna get ready and I'll see you guys at my next meal. All right, y'all, it is, what time is it? 3:30. I did so much stuff today so far. I have a lot more to go, but I'm starving. So we're gonna make a salad. Yeah, we'll make a salad. Let's make a salad. lighting, garbage. But we're back with another meal, lunch. It took me such a long time to make this because I got really distracted. This is just a tofu salad. It has hemp seeds, a ton of tofu, kale, spinach, snow peas, arugula, and a homemade like Caesar type of dressing. It also has vegan Parmesan cheese in here. So good. And I added a little bit of avocado as well. I love making my own dressings. And then you just get the perfect ratio of everything you want.
Many hours later.
So I just had a late class. I didn't make dinner. I made my salad earlier, as you guys saw. I got out of class. I thought that salad would hold me over. Literally 10 minutes into class, I was like starving. I got Chipotle, and I never get Chipotle, and I love Chipotle, so I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. It is so cold out right now, and I did not come prepared. Yeah, just walking home from school, so I'll show you guys when I eat. I feel like the majority of this video is just me sitting against this wall. I have Chipotle. Now, usually I do cook dinner, and I had full plans to cook dinner. Then, you know, I get out of my class. I don't get home till 10 p.m. I'm hungry. Dinner tonight is a Chipotle veggie burrito. Let's give it a go. Okay, so I get white rice, fajita veggies, mild salsa, corn salsa, and guac. Oh, and sofritas. How could I forget? The best part. I'll catch you guys later when I have a snack, because I'll probably have a snack. So that's what happened. So I ate as much as I could. I am full. I am satisfied. That was great. That was worth it. I probably won't get Chipotle for like another year because I get really sick of it, but that was good. Like, I'm a huge dessert person. I love dessert. I will never not be eating my dessert, okay? Like, I will never be that person or influencer that's like, we must avoid desserts because they have sugar only on our cheat days. No, dessert every day, all the time. I love dessert, and I also just like to give my body what it feels like having. So I'm gonna treat myself. So I'm going to enjoy a brownie. These are vegan brownies from the Tasty Pastry in Brooklyn. They are the fudgiest. They're like frosted brownies. I literally love these. I freeze them. Oh my god. Stunning. Stunning.